Oh yeah.
I say we take that front left and
Swap it to, okay, yeah.
and swap it to that.
Yeah.
And who cares if they're reversed?
That's what I said too, but I got pushback.
No, let's swap them because that's going to take a lot of abuse today.
Agreed.
Even though it's an hour and a half less of racing.
We don't want any crying.
We don't want any crybabies. No crybabies in racing.
That's right. Daggone it.
Well, our secret weapons, Paul and Mike, they sprayed some special sauce onto our bearing, and it seems to have made a little bit of a difference. So I'm going to clean the contacts for these brushes and then reinstall it and see if we still have the noise. Doesn't sound like a stone's in it anymore. Sound rattling.
John just came in. He just called. There's a weird sound coming from the alternator. He just pulled the car back around. We're going to try to see what we can do. I'm looking for these guys to see if they have an alternator for our car, but I can't seem to find them. But in the meantime, John pulled in, and Jay and Dave over there, they're going to take a look to see if they can figure out what the noise is.
The alternator fix didn't quite fix the alternator.
The danger is if the alternator goes, the water pump goes. If the water pump goes, the temperature goes sky high. If the temperature goes sky high, the whole engine goes. That might actually fucking work.
It's the same type. It's just a 2-wire.
I don't know.
It's just got the the hot and the excitation coil. Here's the beat.
Let me go take a look. If it doesn't, I'll bring it right back.
It's actually going in really nicely.
That's probably going to be all we can do here. Let's see what it does when it's tightened up.
You've got 12 something, then it's not working. If it's 14 or 13 something, then you're good.
Now it's, yeah, there we go. Right?
She's tight as a frog's ass now. All right.
Got 12 volts.
A 12 volt.
That's not good. We'll rub it a bit when you get.
Hold on, that wire's not on. Kill it. So the excite wire was working because the little light bulb inside went on.
Well, that tells you that you don't have output out of the alternator.
Yeah, if it stays on.
No, I mean it turned on. I think when they started,
Do you need some help?
when they
Tom?
turned the power on the car, but then when it started, it turned off.
Oh, it
it
did.
is? Okay.
Well, that means that it's definitely liking what
It's
it
a temp.
sees.
There is no voltage here. There's voltage here. There's the battery voltage. You should have a voltage here at the excite wire.
We have one
Turns on.
light bulb keeping this car going.
Right. So as soon as the
Okay.
alternator comes up,
Okay.
if it sees the 12 volts, the
We don't
alternator
have a
comes up. You got 12 volts on
What?
each side. The
don't have
volts
a
goes
square.
up.
Oh, keep going, baby. Keep going. Keep going.
13
Oh,
eight.
yeah.
13 eight.
There we got her. I knew. I was sitting down there in the bleachers. I'm watching. I'm like, where'd the red car go? I haven't seen it in 2 laps. I'm like, yeah, something's wrong.
Somebody in this car ripped through here doing like 25, far more than 10 miles an hour. Moments after Jay had announced that anybody who speeds in paddock is going to time out. Shortly after you announced about the paddock speed limit. Oh yeah. This gentleman was calling Paul because the alternator was on. Oh, yeah. Well, that's a good reason to run over a child. Yeah, well, I mean, I made the announcement, 30 minutes, park them. Yep. So, there's our impound right in the danger tape there.
Tell whoever's driving next to suit up.
Well, you've got another 30. We're giving you an hour and 5. We're
Why
splitting
would I
it.
have an hour and 5?
Because we're splitting it. Because we want everybody to drive.
Sure.
No. No, man, shit happens.
Like, I don't fucking speed.
I believe you.
I don't know who they thought they saw, but
Okay.
I'm fucking speeding. Listen, we're out of the running. It doesn't matter, John. Go out for 30 minutes.
You're our most consistent driver.
Remind me of the time.
11:11 was the time we can go back out.
Yep.
We're gonna double check.
How much time is left in the race? 4:15.
Hey, we all want to drive. Be safe out there. It's turning okay until it doesn't. So I came in to look at it. This is the steering wheel going like this, and that's okay if it goes like this until you turn a corner and the hub falls apart or the wheels flies off.
How much higher you want to go?
Just keep going. Yeah.
This one's loose. I'm loose here.
When I came off and around here, and I turned, I heard kunk.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I felt kunk.
David was feeling a little bit of play on the straightaway. And for safety reasons.
It's not play. It was massive vibrations. Like if I put my junk on it, it was enough to get me off. So I'm pushing against you right now, John, okay? So go and jiggle it back and forth.
The ball joint on the front right was pretty much blown. So it was really good that we changed it out because it could be catastrophic. We would change the left one if we had another one, but that was our only one, so that's what we're sticking to.
Mike, thank you again.
Thanks again.
I don't know what kind of birthday present I'm getting you, but it's gonna be nice.
An invitation to Brooklyn.
Yes, open.
To Brooklyn.
It's now open. 1 out of 2 of our bad ball joints have been replaced. So now I'm gonna take it out and see if I still feel like my life is in jeopardy. Beast.
Temperature is coming down, which is nice to see. Temperature's coming down. I'm a little concerned about the bulk.
About the bulk. He's got a lot of bulk.
The bulk? B-U-L-K, the bulk?
When I was getting fast, I kept running out of gas. Like it was dangerous because that back fold to the left. I thought I was gonna have to pull in the grass.
Yeah.
Really. And I was also losing fuel on the chicane.
Dude, you're killing it.
A lot of fast laps that day.
I felt like they were all like low 50s.
They were like
53s.
51, 51s, 52s.
Oh, I got
I got
51?
screenshots for you.
Thanks.
You got a lot of 51s.
Did I?
Yeah,
Fuck yeah, dude.
it's good.
Drive the pants off this bitch.
Any tires left on it?
Yeah, they've got some rocks on them.
Sure as shit don't feel like there's any fucking tires left.
Really black out.
Oh, that was fun. I'm pretty exhausted after an hour. Yesterday I did 2 hours.
You out there at the end?
Oh yeah, that's right. I was like, who was?
That left-hander. We were how many millimeters apart?
I was on your bumper. I would have knocked the GoPro off if I was
You were
on
like
your phone.
back and forth, trying to get
Oh,
around me.
I
Finally
know.
got around me. and
We
I
were
got-
right next to each other
in
on that
left-hander,
left-hander.
the
Yeah.
left-hander. I'm like, holy, don't move, don't move, don't move.
I'm like, I'll move if you move, but don't move too fast because I won't move.
that was fun.
I was like, I couldn't get by you, so I was figuring like we'll hit some traffic and I'll fucking weasel my way through.
And you did.
Yeah.
And he did. The little car snuck through.
It's quick and it just. It's like the little.
Put it
anywhere on
And
the
then I got
track.
stuck in traffic, and then you were
Yeah.
going. So-
That was like 4 laps or something.
Yeah, 4 laps. We had a nice little back and forth. It was great.
All because of your alternate.
That's right.
I'll send you $10 and the 4 rings on the front of our car. Well, we finished another race. We didn't finish it how we wanted to really finish it after ending day 1 in 14th place. Broken alternator, broken ball joint. That's what happens. A lot of fuck ups in the pits. We all had a fuck up. John, me, Laser, and DT. So that's how it goes. It's LeMons. Come back.